we're gonna go see the worms. Where are they?
Here's my
wait. Maybe we should plug in.
All right. Jen Chicago's so excited about my worms. She's all about the worms, she says. So worms, these are in my kitchen. I have a bucket of worms. And what we do is we just get these worms from Big Jim's Worm Farm, and there are tons of worms in there. This does not smell, and this is all worm poop in there. It's good stuff, and then we feed him all this good stuff, and within about a week, that turns into compost, and that compost is liquid gold. We don't use Monsanto products. We don't use chemicals. This is great. This doesn't go down your drain, which is a very bad thing for the environment. There's 11 agencies that bring you your water in Chicago and take it away and clean it before they dump it back in a river or use it for gray water purposes, but this keeps that stuff from going down the drain. So you don't want to use your disposal, you want a worm composter. And then over here we have another type of composting, excuse me, that is just taking Chicago by storm. They'll take all the compost from restaurants, ferment it within about a week, and that turns into great fertilizer. So those people will be able to take compost and sell it back to the environment. So no chemicals, no Monsanto, no bad crap goes back into our earth and our food. It's just pure natural food, recycling at its best. And so that's why I love the worms. I think it's a great thing to do. Go green tip. One go green tip is don't use paper towels. Don't use bleached paper towels. Use the recycled paper towels that are brown, and use cloth whenever possible, and use green cleaners. You'll breathe better in your house. You won't be hurting the environment, and it's so simple. Well, the book launch. Here's my book. It's Mafia Hairdresser. It is a good book. Everybody reads it. Goes, oh my gosh, I stayed up all night to read it. And grade A+ novel, fun. Yes, I write it. Yes, I'm a hairdresser. And yes, I'm a good writer. So there. So I'm not bragging. I just took years doing it. And the second book comes out in the fall of 2011. So that's called The Glow Stick God. Continues on with the hairdresser. I've led a crazy life, and I'm proud to write about it, make myself look like a fool. I fictionalize everything, but, it's crazy.